millions of colorful ducklings in a row waddle through the sunshine fast and slow. Yellow ones giggle, the blue ones spin, red ones flap as they splash right in. They march by the river, flapping and cheer, quacking and chirping so sweet and